Hello there everyone, welcome to the latest episode of the Vanother Collective. We're here, let's tour. Make sure you check out all the other videos in the collective. I'll put logos up in the screen somewhere. Every month we get together, it's a collective of YouTubers, and we get together and we have a topic and we make a lovely little video on it. And this month's topic is the best games, board games to play in the caravan, campervan, motorhome. Some little ideas for people to play when they get away, because caravan time is family time.
Caravan time is family time.
I'm led to believe.
Apparently.
So taking over this one is the star of the show. Little Hey Ho Let's Tour is going to take you through some of the games that we play together when we're away in the caravan. You ready?
So in the caravan it's really nice to have some family time, because normally I'm either playing at the playgrounds with a football and a frisbee, and so it's just really nice just to settle down in the evening or any time in the day just to play a bit of board games inside. Okay, so these are the usual games I think most people know about. So pack of cards, I think every man on the earth knows about a pack of cards. Top trumps, I love playing top trumps. I always win, you know.
Cheats all the time.
I don't cheat.
You cheat at everything.
I don't. A Rubik's Cube. And
Classics.
It always keeps me entertained. I bring to restaurants every single day. And a jigsaw. This one is 500 pieces of tiger. I don't think I've ever completed it. Still going.
Caravan's a great place to lose jigsaw pieces in. But these are the normal stuff that people play. Here's some of the more weirder stuff that we could play.
Okay, so the first game is Chase. Now this is actually like a program on TV that you can find. It's really fun. In the family, when we're at home, normally we'd watch it on the TV while we're eating dinner. But in a caravan, since we don't really watch things on TV that much, we have a board game of it where you can be the chaser, and it's really cool.
Lots of quizzing questions. Mm-hmm. Next.
The next one is Trivial Pursuit. It's very good. And the good thing about it is some of the questions, they have like adult and kids questions, because I think I read some of the adult questions and I'm like, I don't know how to say that word. So it's very good that you have the kids cards with them. So especially if you're bringing lots of maybe cousins or siblings that are.
It's good for everyone, isn't it? There's different levels for everyone.
Inclusive.
Okay, so the next game is Apples to Apples. Now this is a very funny game. So in this game, you get a card that everybody will try to associate with from like a pack in their hands. So for example, we've got cold. So this could be cold, chilly, nippy, alfoof. And then
You've got a hand with various cards, and you've got to try and pick one card out of your hand that you associate with that thing, and whoever gives the funniest answer wins it, doesn't it?
Yeah, so like here we've got Mr. Whippy, Parenting, New York City, and Undertakers.
Which is the most cold one of the Undertakers, I would say.
Parenting.
But it's a fun game.
Yeah. Okay, so the next game is 6 Second Scribbles. Now this is the game where I get the most stressed, and I think I get the most laughed at during this game. So what you do is you each get a topic of a card. So you get easy, tricky, and almost impossible. The almost impossible ones I think are actually impossible. So I get to look at the cards before, because I sometimes have no idea what the topic is.
You like to cheat?
Yeah. So the topic, you get like. So you have to draw each item on your card that you see. It's only right.
So give an example. What's a card you got there?
Things beginning with D. So then you'd have to draw on your piece of paper things beginning with the letter.
And it gives you 10 things that beginning with D that you got to draw. Mm-hmm. And in 6 seconds you've got to draw as many as you can, as you like.
As many as you can.
And then you've got to try and.
You get a point for everyone that the person guesses correct who looks at your scribbles.
And it's crazy, isn't it?
It's mental. So the next game is Monopoly. Now I think lots and lots of people have played recently. This is actually a new game that we've just got, and I think we played it once, maybe. This is the Sea of Thieves, which is a video game that you can get. And you just go around getting properties, and it's a pirated edition.
Great.
Here's another game that we love to play in the caravan. It's called Dungeons and Dragons, and I just love it so much. It is a really fun adventure game where you can go around, you like some mystical creatures, and you go around defeating bad guys, and at the end you've got to try and defeat like the big boss of the whole entire game, and I love it.
And you all play together as one team, don't you? So it's a lot of fun. I think it appeared in one of our other videos. It's like a simplified versions of the role-playing game thing, isn't it?
It doesn't take as long either.
And the thing is, if you take all of it, it'll probably go over the weight of your caravan if you take all these games with you. So we've got to be selective on which ones we take away. So which ones are these ones, would you say, are your favourite 3 out of all of these games?
My favourite 3 out of all these games has to be... So, coming out of 3rd place...
Oh, top 3.
I would say definitely Chase. The Chase is such a good game. My next one, I think, has to be Trivial Pursuit. And then at number 1, 1st place, it's definitely Dungeons and Dragons.
Yeah, it's a good fun one to play together because we're all on the same side, aren't we?
Yeah. Thanks for watching our video, guys. Hopefully you got some ideas there about games that you can play when you're away. If we missed out on maybe your favourite game and you think we should know about it, just pop the details in the comments below. That would be great to find out, won't it? As always, do make sure that you check out the other vloggers' videos. They always have loads of really good ideas in.
Yeah, it'll be interesting this week. Any games that we haven't thought about.
Yeah. Do make sure you check them out. We'll put their details below, and like, subscribe, do all the great stuff, and
We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
bye.